Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about another Airline Soft Skin product. I think this is my most awaited video. And this is his 0.1% Retinaldehyde Night Serum. So as the product says, 0.1%, it means high-strength retinaldehyde. So as usual with Airline Soft Skin, all the products are curated by its founder, Nicolas Travis. As usual, it is jam-packed with peptides, amino acids, and every and any anti-aging skincare ingredients to support and to synergistically work together with this high-strength retinol. So the 0.1% is encapsulated retinol, and then it has got 6 peptides, and I have counted there are 6 peptides. It's got 2% ornithine and EGCG. Ornithine is an amino acid that is naturally found in human bodies and in plants, and it can also be derived synthetically. And from laboratory studies, they found that ornithine can promote collagen production, can increase cell regeneration, it enhances wound healing, and it improves skin elasticity and the reduction of the appearance of UV damage, which means that ornithine can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles and just support firmer and more elastic skin. So ornithine is terribly important in skincare. And it's got EGCG. EGCG is an active ingredient that is found in green tea, and it's a super antioxidant. And it's got 8.7% ceramide and omega complex. It's got 1 ceramide NP. It's got the Centella asiatica extract, and Centella asiatica extract just help to soothe and calm the skin. It's got bisabolol, beta-glycan, radish root ferment filtrate, glycerin, argan oil, ubiquinone. Ubiquinone is another name for coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 has been widely used now in a lot of skincare products, and you can also consume coenzyme Q10 orally. And coenzyme Q10 or ubiquinone is a super antioxidant. What it does is it protects the cells in your skin from free radical damage. It's got glutathione, arginine, tocopherol, and so forth. And the price for this is $254 for 48 mils, which means if you break it down into half, like 24 mils, it's $125. I mean, yes, it's $254, but it is 48 mils here, and it can last you for some time. Standard packaging. As you can see, the serum is bright yellow. It's very bright yellow. I would say the color of this is a lot brighter than the 0.05% retinol. As you can see, it does leave a little bit of a bright yellow tinge on your skin. But with any retinol or retinaldehyde product, you always put moisturizer on top of it. So your moisturizer covers up that yellowness anyway. I don't find that it is staining my pillowcase, and it really doesn't bother me. So it's rather sticky. It's more a cream texture rather than a watery serum. And I do love this product. If you have liked the 0.05%, I have already done a video on Airline Soft Skin's 0.05% retinaldehyde serum. I'll put a link below for you to check out that video. I mean, I love that one. And if you have liked that 0.05%, you will like the 0.1%. It is one notch higher in potency, so you don't need a lot. I wait till I've completely finished my 0.05% tube and my skin is completely adjusted to retinaldehyde. before I jump into this. My skin has no redness, no irritation, no agitation, no sandiness, redness, and I do see that I'm not getting any more wrinkles and fine lines. I mean, I used to have two lines here. Here, the brow line, two long brow line, that's completely gone. The one thing this product does for me is that I've got some little melias. Melias are just little white spots, quite hard, and they tend to appear on your face. So it has flattened out some of my melias, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and really attacking some of my really stubborn dark spots and age spots. So this product does work. If you want to move up your skincare, faster results, I suggest try this one as well and see how you like it. I mean, both Allies of Skin's retinol products are really some of my favorite skincare items. And this one is no exception. And I'm just really appreciate how gentle this product is. My skin hasn't looked this good. And if you're used to spending this type of price bracket, then I suggest go for Allies of Skin's products. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.